for the longest time, I considered myself a transactional realtor. What that meant was on to the next, on to the next, on to the next, on to the next. And I didn't really take the time to get to know my clients. I didn't take the time to really, build that relationship because I was so much focused on the dollars and cents. And what I will say is over the period of COVID and moving and everything, I've I've really changed as a person, and I've changed the way that I choose to do business at this point. It's simple things like when someone says, thank you, you say you're welcome. Okay. You say the word please. You phone call everybody. Well, you know what I mean? You call your clients to keep them updated on the part of the transaction. You don't rush to hang up the phone on them. You listen to what they have to say. And you just act like a decent human being is the best way to put it. So that, like I said, the difference between transactional is, like I said, it's just get it done, get it done, get it done. When you become a relational agent, that's how you build that referral-based business. Because I never saw that. I was so short-sighted for such a long period of time that now I guess I'm looking at the long sight, if that makes any sense, the long term, if you will, where to build my business here in a referral-based way where I only want to prospect so much. Don't get me wrong. I'll always prospect. I will always pick up the phone and make my phone calls. And, but I want 50% of my business to be prospecting based and 50% of it to be referral based, because we all know when we go on a referral appointment, it's not always a slam dunk, but it's a lot different than going on a cold appointment. So I suggest everyone take a look at your business, see am I more transactional based and relationship based. If you're more transactionally based, push yourself to become more relational. It's as easy as just saying, you're welcome when someone says thank you.